Sai Ram children, welcome to online session. Today we will start new chapter. Chapter 1, Rational and Irrational Numbers. Now let's recall. We are familiar with these terms. Natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and go on. And natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. So whenever we start counting or whenever we do counting, we start from 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are natural numbers. And when 0 is added to the set of natural numbers, they become whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and go on. So they are known as whole numbers. Now these are integers. So when we say integers, it is 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4. When we say 1, 2, 3, 4, they are natural numbers. When we add 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whole numbers. And when we take the negative numbers, that is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So they all are known as integers. Integers are positive numbers. When we say positive numbers, the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and go on. 0 and negative integer, that is negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, that is go on. So this is the set of integers. So we are familiar with these terms. Now rational numbers. So rational numbers, we are familiar with the numbers. If I say negative 25 upon 3 or any other number like 10 upon negative 7 or negative 4, 0, 3, 8, 22 upon 3, 67 upon 5, etc. Go on. As we know, there are infinite numbers. So they are rational numbers. Observe properly. 0, it means whole numbers. When we say 3, they are natural numbers or positive integers. And then if we say now 22 upon 3, it's a fraction. Negative 25 upon 3. So these are known as rational numbers. Let's study more about rational numbers. Now what are rational numbers? The numbers of the form m upon n. So we have to remember this. The numbers of the form m upon n are called rational numbers. Now what we have to remember here is m, you can say it is our numerator also, m and n, which is our denominator, right? So here m and n are integers, but n is not 0. So this thing we have to keep in mind about rational numbers. So what are rational numbers? The numbers of the form m upon n are called rational numbers. M and n are integers. Now when we say integers means we talk about negative numbers, that is negative 1, negative 2, go on, 0, and the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these are integers, right? So m and n are integers and n is not 0. Now n is our denominator. Always keep in mind n, which is our denominator, is not 0. It should not be 0. It is a non-zero integer. It can be any positive number, it can be any negative one, but not 0. Then the numbers of the form m upon n are called rational numbers. Okay. Now here number line is given. So you have to observe this number line. All of you know how to draw a number line, right? So when we draw a number line, we draw a straight line. Keep in mind you have to use ruler and pencil. And once you draw a line, we have to draw arrowheads from both the sides, right? And then we show the points and the numbers. So when we say number line, numbers are shown on it. And once you draw the number line, then we start showing the points. That is, we always start on that is O, origin, right? And then we take the numbers at equal distance. Okay, so numbers to the right of origin, that is O, what we say 0, right of origin, they are positive numbers, positive integers, right? And the numbers which are to the left of 0, they are negative numbers, negative integers. So that is all you have to keep in mind, right? So whenever we draw a line, draw a straight line using ruler, pencil. Show O origin, that is 0. Then to the right side we have the positive numbers, positive integers, and to the left side we have the negative one. Okay. Observe this number line. There are points shown on it, numbers are there. So O, we write O, that is origin, that is 0. Then the points are there, point D. Now if we say point D, which number is indicated by point D? It is 1. Point E, which number is indicated by point E? 3. Similarly, we have the numbers on the left of 0 also, that is negative integers or negative numbers. Now when we say point C, which number is indicated? Negative 2. Similarly, point B, negative 3, and go on. So remember, when you draw a number line, draw a line, show arrowheads, O origin, the numbers to the right of the 0, that is origin, are positive numbers, and negative numbers to the left of 0. Let's start with practice set 1.1. Show the following numbers on a number line. Draw a separate number line for each example. So here we have to show the following numbers. The numbers have been given on a number line. We will be drawing a number line and we have to draw a separate number line for each example. So you got the idea how to draw a number line, right? Okay, the question is 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2. So we have to show all these numbers on a number line. So first what you will do, you will draw a number line. Draw a straight number line using ruler and pencil. Then neatly mark O, that is origin. Now we have to show the numbers. So first we will be showing the numbers 1, 2, that is positive integers to the right of 0, right? And mark them at equal distance. Whatever the distance you are taking, 2 cm, 3 cm, whatever distance, mark the numbers at equal distance. So some at equal distance you take and mark the numbers 1, 2. Similarly, the negative numbers to the left of 0, because to the left of 0 we have the negative numbers. So same at equal distance you mark them. Okay, so this way you will be drawing it. Now first number which we have to show is 3 upon 2. Now 3 upon 2 is a positive number, positive integer. Okay, so where we have to show? We have to show it to the right of 0. And here the denominator is 2. So denominator is 2. What does it indicate? That divide each unit distance into 2 parts. Now each unit distance into 2 parts means 0 to 1. This is one distance. So you have to divide into 2 parts. So I will be just showing the marking. Similarly between 1 and 2. And here also if you want you can show 1. So similarly this way you are going to show the markings at equal distance, children. First number is 3 upon 2. Positive side, right of 0. So from 0 you count 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, and this number is 3 upon 2. So you have to be very careful in showing the numbers. Okay. So these are 3 upon 2. So similarly, if next number is 5 upon 2, same way you start the counting, that is after 0, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 2, 5 upon 2. Just show one arrow marking and show that number. This is, your number is 5 upon 2. Similarly, next number is minus 3 upon 2. When it is shown negative, that is 3 upon 2, left side of 0. And it is at the equal distance, where from 0 to 3 upon 2 is there, same way it is having the equal distance to the left of 0. So from left of the 0 you see. This is, now show the numbers. This is your 0, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, then 3 upon 2, so negative. Children, maybe here you are not able to see properly, but you have to show like this, that this is your 3 upon 2. Okay, so this way neatly you will be drawing and showing. So see, it will be like this. When you will draw neatly your number line, that is, show neatly the number line, show 0, then the numbers 1 to 3 to the left, and each unit distance is divided into 2 equal parts. So this is your 3 upon 2. How you got 3 upon 2? 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, this is your 3 upon 2. So this way neatly you are going to show. Then the next number 5 upon 2. So same counting you do. After 0, it is positive side. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 2. This is your 5 upon 2. Same way the next number was negative 3 upon 2. So negative side, left of 0, 1 upon 2, negative 1 upon 2, negative 2 upon 2, negative 3 upon 2. So this way we are going to show on the number line. And this exercise 1.1 is self-study. You have to do on your own. So teacher is showing you the way you have to do. Next question is 7 upon 5, negative 2 upon 5, negative 4 upon 5. So same way, first draw neatly, that is, first draw neatly the number line, show arrowheads, show your 0, at equal distance you have to show the markings, that is 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2 at equal distance. Now the very important is, see the denominator. Denominator is 5. What does it indicate? Divide each unit distance into 5 parts. Okay, so it will be like this. Draw a number line, show the numbers, that is 1, 2, and divide it into 5 equal parts. So this is your 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. So each unit distance is divided into 5 equal parts. That is positive side also, negative side also. First number is 7 upon 5. So do the counting after 0, positive side. 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5, 6 upon 5, 7 upon 5. This way. Same way, the next number is negative 2 upon 5, left side. And each we are showing it, each unit distance has to be divided in 5 parts. So 0, negative 1 upon 5, negative 2 upon 5. Now next number is negative 4 upon 5. Again it is to the left of 0 and you have to take fourth part. So 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5. This is your 4 upon 5. This way you have to show the numbers on a separate number line. Next question is, you have to show negative 5 upon 8, 11, 5 upon 8. What you will do? Draw number line, origin, take the numbers 1 and 2, positive side, negative 1, negative 2. So it will be like this. and we have to show 11 upon 8. So each unit distance has to be divided into 8 equal parts. The denominator is 8. Denominator 8 indicates that 8 equal parts. So from 0 to 1, 8 parts. Small you have to show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This way I am going to show 8 equal parts. Same way again next unit distance 8 equal parts. Negative side 8 equal parts. Now 11 upon 8. So from after 0 count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which is your 11 upon 8. This is the way you are going to show the numbers on a number line. Similarly, negative 5 upon 8. Negative side also we have divided each unit distance into how many parts? 8 parts. And we are going to take which part? Fifth part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These things you have to do neatly, children, and you will be able to do. Next question. 13 upon 10, negative 17 upon 10. So what this denominator 10 indicates? Divide each unit distance into 10 equal parts. So first what we will do? Draw a number line. So here is number line. Each unit distance is divided into 10 equal parts. Positive side, negative side, and we have to show 13 upon 10. So start counting after 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember children, your 1 is nothing but 10 upon 10. 10 upon 10 is 1. So this is your 1. And after 1, that is 10 upon 10, you have to count 11, 12, 13. So you have to take the third point after 10, that is your 13 upon 10. So this way you are going to show very neatly. Similarly, negative side 17 upon 10, as you know, minus 1, negative 1 is nothing but 10 upon 10. So after that you take the 7 points and your answer is negative 17 upon 10. So this way we have to show the following numbers on a number line. And these all you have to do, all separate number lines, draw neatly and do. Next question. Observe the number line and answer the question. So here number line is given. O origin, then numbers positive integers, positive numbers right side, negative numbers left side of the 0. And first question is, which number is indicated by point B? So where is point B? Here is point B, left side. And you observe properly, each unit distance is divided into how many parts? So if you observe properly, after 0 you count, you are getting 4 equal parts. If you see small that is there, they are nothing but each unit distance is divided into 4 equal parts. You can check them also. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this shows each unit distance is divided into 4 equal parts. It is nothing but the denominator is 4. Now B side they are asking which number is indicated. So it is after negative 2. After negative 2, which number it is? 1, 2. So you can write negative 2, 2 upon 4. You can write this way also. Negative 2, 2 upon 4. Or we can also write this number as, that is after 0 you count. Negative 1 is nothing but 4 upon 4. 2 is nothing but 8 upon 4. So next 9, 10. So you can also write this way 10 upon 4. So you can write both the ways. You can write it negative 10 upon 4 or we can also write negative 2, 2 upon 4. Next question. Which point indicates the number 1, 3 upon 4? So first the number 1, 3 upon 4 is nothing but positive number. So positive side. And it is 1. So this is F, this is your 1. Right? This is your 1. After 1 you have to count 3 upon 4. So third place. 1, 2, 3. So which number is this? C. You can say C or point C. Which point indicates the number 1, 3 upon 4? It is C or point C. Next one is State whether the statement, the point D denotes the number 5 upon 2 is true or false. So first of all, we have to find where is D. This is a point D, right? This is your point D. Neatly you see, this is a point D. So we have to see now which it is. Either you start from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can also write it is nothing but 10 upon 4. Which number it is? It is nothing but 10 upon 4. And positive sign. So it is 10 upon 4. And we can reduce it to lowest term. So when you divide by 2, it will become 5 upon 2. So 10 upon 4 is nothing but 5 upon 2. The answer is true. The answer is true. So your assignment is do the given sums, that is the numbers on a number line. Draw them neatly and we conclude our session here. And in the next session we will do the next part. Thank you children. Take care of yourself. Saira.